Topical assays can be used to determine insecticide resistance susceptibility of wild mosquitoes. These assays are more precise than bottle or WHO cone bioassays and require fewer specimens. With topical assays, pesticide is applied directly to the mosquito abdomen. This ensures that each mosquito receives the same dose. To perform a topical assay, you need field-collected mosquitoes that are 3 to 5 days old. It is best to collect mosquito eggs and rear them into adults of the same body size. See our video on mosquito rearing for more details. Construct a holding container to place mosquitoes after pesticide exposure. We're using pint-sized takeout containers with a hole cut in the center of the lid covered with tulle mesh. Dilute your technical grade pesticide in acetone. You'll want to use the concentration that results in 99% mortality in susceptible mosquitoes of the same species. Today we are using Culex pipiens and 1.5 micrograms per microliter solution of permethrin. The syringe dispenses 0.5 microliters per click, so the dose per mosquito is 0.75 micrograms of permethrin. Start the assay by labeling your holding containers. The first one will be a control with mosquitoes dosed with pure acetone. 10 other containers should be labeled with the concentration of pesticide being applied and time of treatment. Next, prepare your mosquitoes for knockdown. This will immobilize them. First, place 10 open tubes in the ice to chill. Once cold, aspirate 10 females into each tube, cap them, and move the tube to the rack. Culex pipiens mosquitoes should be knocked down for 10 to 15 minutes. If they are not chilled long enough, they will fly away during treatment. To increase the efficiency of our assay, we set a timer and add a tube to the ice every 5 minutes. Once 10 to 15 minutes have passed, we begin treating, making sure to add a tube to the ice every time we take one off. When working with other types of mosquitoes, the knockdown time can be shorter, about 2 to 3 minutes. The time can be adjusted based on your comfort level and speed at performing the topical assay. To treat the mosquitoes, load your syringe with solution. Always start with your acetone-only control. If you are using multiple concentrations, always work from the lowest concentration to the highest. Scatter mosquitoes onto a chilled glass Petri dish. Using your forceps, remove any males and gently position females on their backs. Empty the first click of the syringe on a clean wipe. Then click the syringe and very gently tap a small droplet to the mosquito abdomen. You will see the drop absorb into the cuticle. Repeat this, making sure to treat each mosquito. It's important to consistently apply the droplet to the same location on the mosquito each time. Discard any mosquitoes you think may have been accidentally treated twice or missed. Gently tap the mosquitoes into the holding container and cover. They should recover from their knockdown and begin flying around in the container within minutes of treatment. When testing synthetic pyrethroids or pyrethrum, it is important to check knockdown at 1 hour after treatment. This is a good time to confirm the total number of mosquitoes in each container. Place 10% sucrose-coated cotton over the container lid. Make sure it's damp, but not dripping. Store containers in a humid environment at a consistent temperature. Check and record mortality 24 hours after treatment.